You ever just want to go relax and have some nice food in a nice little location with a nice environment with some nice music and just see nice scenery? Well, that was what I felt for. And guess what? Guys, I left work and I was just feeling down and out, and I decided that I'm gonna find somewhere to go. So I was looking for somewhere in Montego Bay, and then I remember this nice little place outside of Montego Bay. So follow me, come on this journey where I'm going to share with you where to me is one of the best places you could go to have some food. I don't know how it is rated, because sometimes some very good restaurants don't get big rating because, they're not in some rich location. But this liquor spot was a good liquor spot. So just follow back on me as I bring you. Come chill with me. Yeah. Wagwan, this and that family, Wagwan. This is your girl Trisha and welcome back to the channel. Well, today guys, I am going to a famous Jamaican restaurant right here in Hanover. Right, so the name of the restaurant is Sky Beach. That's the name of the restaurant right there in Hanover, Jamaica. If you are new to the channel, you know what to do, right? Like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit the post notification bell, of course, for more amazing content. So, me drive up into Sky Beach and look who greet me. One of the best hosts I've ever had. The little place was just so nice and chill, just cool, and trust me, really, really nice. So me have to just make sure say me walk around and look on the sea, and yeah, me go throw some little pebble over in the water and just chillax. One of the time, me even find myself a dance, cause me I tell you, say the little place just nice and soothing, and it was just what I needed. I needed the relaxation after a long week of work. I just needed to unwind. I just needed to just let everything go. So yes, me did it. I'm a papa dancer. Me do a little thing, man. No bogle and no butterfly, but I did do my thing. Watch me now. But time for me order my food now. Time for me order my food. See the little waiter come and him give me the menu, and me I go choose my fish now. Cool fish. One big fish me choose to, two big fish. Yes, sir. By this time the night was coming down, so them bring me a nice little lantern. Boy, the vibe was just good. And then guess what? I make sure I order some nice, what you call it, fish tea. And I was just there enjoying my fish tea. And the little man make sure him bring me one crown and look on my head. Yes, sir, he brought me a crown, and it wasn't even my birthday. May I tell you, me really start enjoy myself in here. Hold on there. So Jamaican this, Jamaican that. You want to know how Jamaican chat? You want to know how Jamaicans talk. So your word for today is, what do Jamaicans call food? The answer is bickle. Talking about bickle. Guess what? Me get me bickle now. Wanna look here, wanna look here. Nice steamed fish and bammy and festival. Lord of mercy. Planting. Yes. Me start enjoy myself. Me have a nice hallelujah time eating all of this lovely food. And even though the time did dark, may I tell you, say, me did enjoy the meal. Boy, the food nice. It nice so till Sky Beach, you know, sell off, man. You know, sell off. So the next time you come to Jamaica and you want some pickle, some good food to eat, listen, I am not promoting any restaurant because I don't even know the owner of Sky Beach, but right is right and fair is fair. I did enjoy my time at Sky Beach. So they have a wide menu. Yes, fish, bami, rice and peas, festival, yam, all of those things, crab, shrimp, and even chicken. Yes, man, it was good. It was really good, right? So now I'm going to give you some Jamaican names for some Jamaican foods. Are you ready? Come along with me. Potato, fried dumpling, Johnny cake, breadfruit, breche, shrimp, swims, water. That's it for today, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for joining me each and every week, guys. I love having your comments and I love responding to your comments. Una nice, una sweet, una look good. Shake me hand. Thank you for joining me. See you in the next lit video. Bye.